Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ellie. I am a British English pronunciation teacher, and in today's short pronunciation video we're going to look at this sound here. It's eh. Now this can be a little bit tricky to find if you don't have this in your first language. So what we're going to do is we're going to imagine there are 4 steps on a staircase. At the top we have E like tree. Step number 2 we have I like bit. Step number 3 we have E like red. And step number 4 we have A like hat. We're looking here, step number 3. As I went down those vowels, down those steps, did you notice that my jaw was dropping as I did so? Look again. E, I, A. See that my mouth is opening more as I'm moving down. The trick with this sound is to get that right amount of jaw opening. Of course, when we do talk about the jaw opening, what we're actually talking about is the tongue moving. But the easiest way to move the tongue is to move the jaw. Okay, so we want eh. If we drop the jaw too much, it becomes ah. And if we have the jaw too high, it becomes I. So here, eh. Let's have a look at these words here, and as you notice, these all have the letter E in the spelling for this eh sound. For example, bed, red, pen, yes, 7. We can also spell this vowel sound E-A, for example, bread, head, health. We can spell it A-I, especially where the word is unstressed. For example, again, or said. And we can spell it I-E, like friend. Eh. So make sure then, please, that this vowel stays nice and short, that you're really being careful with the height of the tongue. Keep practicing. I promise it will get easier. See you in the next video.